Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you step by step how you can do your Ethereum tax report with CoinTracking really fast and really easy. And if you are an ETH maxi, then this video is really helpful for you because most likely you don't have much transactions, and in CoinTracking you can go up to 200 transactions completely for free, meaning you could do your tax report for free. So let's dive into CoinTracking, and all you have to do is sign up for CoinTracking. It's very easy, it takes less than a minute, just a username and a password and sign up and you're in your account. Once you're in your account, you go to imports, and in the quick access you search for ETH, which is for Ethereum. Select Ethereum and you will see our blockchain importer. From here you will simply paste in your Ethereum address and import all Ethereum transactions and activate a job. This will take 1 to 2 to 3 seconds. Depending how long the software needs to create the job. If you see a green big button, job is saved, then the job was created successfully, and in 1 to 3 minutes all your Ethereum transactions will be imported in your account. And from here we can start generating our tax report. Once all the transactions are in your account, and please make sure that all the exchange transactions and all the different wallets you used in the past are in your account, and that you validated your account for all the errors and fix all the errors with the help of our reports, and only then you can move on to the tax report. Otherwise you will have errors in the tax report. So go to the tax report, click tax report, and on this page you will have to select your country. If you select your country, then you will have pre-selected all our recommended settings and you don't have to do anything in here unless you want to customize your report. But again, we have pre-selected the recommended settings for you. In our case, it is Germany, and we simply scroll down and click Generate a new tax report now. Within seconds, as you see, we have our tax report, and you will see your first numbers here. And then if you click Load Report, you will see a more detailed calculation of all the numbers. You can scroll down and see everything in very detail, but we will not do that now. We just simply click Download Tax Report. For here, we see some more options. For the export, also you have the option to export as PDF or Excel, and then you have your tax report generated. If you have any open questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.